Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing excellent. Today we'll be making some strawberry jam. This comes out as good as or even better than the store-bought ones. Plus you know exactly what is in your jam, and the good thing is this comes together in less than 30 minutes. Let's get into it. So this recipe doesn't usually call for a lot. All you would need is 3 simple ingredients, and that's some strawberries, some granulated sugar, and lemon juice. But before we put all those ingredients together, you'd have to cut your strawberries into smaller chunks, and this kind of helps it to break down more easily when you're cooking it. After cutting my strawberries into tiny bits, I go in with some sugar. Then I make sure I mix that up really well and have every strawberry coated with that sugar. Now I'm going to transfer this to the stove and bring that to a boil. One thing about making your own jam at home is to make sure you stir it every now and then, because you don't want this to burn, and no one wants to eat burnt jam, so keep a close eye and stir continuously. And right after that, I go in with some lemon juice. That's half of a lemon, and the right amount of sugar and lemon juice helps this jam to set really nicely. A trick to check if your jam has set nicely is to put a plate in the freezer just before you start this whole cooking process. If you put the jam on it and it doesn't cause a runny mess, then you are on track with that. Now that we are on track with the jam, I'm going to go in with a potato masher and kind of crush the strawberries left in there. I like my jam being a bit chunky, so the masher does a really good job. It doesn't make it too smooth. And now this is ready, so I'm transferring it into a sterile jar, and that is where I'm going to store it. I'll wait for it to cool down completely, then I'm going to put it in the fridge and try to use it within the next 2 weeks. Right, so you see that looks so good. I'm going to spread that on my bread, and I'm going to enjoy my bread with strawberry jam, and this was so good. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe today. I hope you try it. I hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Also turn on your post notification bell so that you don't miss any video I post in the future. Take care and see you soon.